Hey guys, today I have a Maytag Performa washer and electric dryer set, and this is very similar to the Speed Queen machines, kind of from that same era, so they're a little bit older. However, everything's made out of metal, it's a belt driven, and it does an excellent job. This style, if you can get them, especially if you can get them used, is a great deal because the new ones are just so expensive. However, these are in excellent shape, been through, tested every single little thing on all the knobs, make sure that it runs smooth, no leaks, everything works perfect. And right now I've got it set up running. We're on regular fabrics. You've got a delicate cycle and then wrinkle-free fabrics. I'm not really sure what that does, but over here is kind of what I would typically use. This is kind of just your everyday cycle here. So that's what I've got it on. We've got a towel load going right now. And as you can see, we've got the center agitator. You've got a pretty large capacity too. This is a pretty good sized towel load right here. One of these agitators that works really well where it spins freely in one direction and not back the other way. In this case, this one is going to spin counterclockwise and not back clockwise. And that vortexes the clothes down along the fins on the bottom, back up the sides, and it just kind of goes in that motion to get your clothes clean. As you can hear, it's doing an excellent job getting those mixed up. So I'm going to show you when we come back that the drain works, and then once it moves through the wash and rinse cycle, once we get down here to the final spin, that it's got a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. So we will come back. All right, we're moving out of the wash cycle now into the rinse cycle. So it's going to kick over to drain. As you can hear, drain it out nice and fast there. So from here, it's going to spin to extract the soapy water, fill back up with fresh water for the rinse cycle, agitate for a bit, and then it's going to drain out that water into the final spin cycle, which I'm going to come back for next and show you that it's nice, fast, smooth, and sounds great. When it's all done, we'll move the clothes over to the dryer, and I'll show you that the dryer is working perfectly. So showing off the first spin, the rinse spin, you can see super quiet, level, balance. Now if I open the lid, which I'm going to do here in just a second, it's going to shut the machine down because you've got the safety switch right here, but you'll be able to see it's spinning nice and fast. And then I'm going to close it kind of quick because I don't want to lose the momentum. See? Doesn't take too long to get going either, so we'll let that get back up to speed, finish out here in the spin cycle, be just a little bit faster than that. And also during the final spin, obviously it's going to spin a lot longer than that on the final spin cycle. And as the clothes extract more water, it spins faster. The lighter the clothes, the faster it spins. So we'll come back for that next. All right, now, final spin cycle. It's been spinning for about 2 minutes. So still, as the clothes get lighter, it's gonna spin a little bit faster. Should be spinning considerably faster than it was a minute ago. So we'll go ahead and lift this up, let you get a look. You can hear it spinning faster than it was before. Comes to a stop pretty quick. It's going to get back up to speed. And once it's done there, we'll move over and show you the dryer. All right, now those clothes are pulled out of the washer. You can see that's nice and cleaned out there. Come over here to the matching electric dryer, and I've got it set time dry. The air fluff is listed here because you can switch this over to air fluff, and that's how you would get the air fluff. Otherwise, you have 2 auto features here that you can use. So really anything that you want to get dry, any type of garment, delicate, heavy duty, this is going to be able to handle all of that. Nice large, let's see, oversized capacity, should be the same. Yep, on both, oversized capacity, which I would equate to today's Super Capacity Plus. And anyway, let me show you that this thing is heating appropriately. So right in between those 2 dots there, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement, 6-7 degrees on top of the dryer, concrete floor, about 63. So we'll go ahead and open this. See, everything's tumbling. We'll shoot this right inside the grate here. That's where the heat's gonna come pumping out. So the heat kind of comes up through here, circulates with the close, and then out right here. The air comes this way in, lint trap right here. You wanna make sure that gets changed before each and every load. And then it goes down out the back of your dryer. And so that's why this is kind of loud. It's because I don't have a vent hose hooked up on the back. But once you do, it muffles that noise and makes it just about silent. And as you can see, nice smooth operation. It sounds great. And these two sitting side by side look great together. So we'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.